In this EIE for Kindergarten how-to video, we'll show you how to prepare and use the workstations for Lesson 4 of Here's the Scoop, Designing Trash Collectors. Place the aluminum trays such that they will be accessible to both pairs of students. Pour about 1 inch of water into one of the aluminum trays at each workstation. Set out the trash collector handles, towels, and trash collector materials. Students will use this workstation to test whether the materials work well in water. They will place effective materials on the towel. All other wet materials will go into the empty aluminum tray.